Stop wasting money on hidden card charges, do this instead. Hey there, savvy savers, let's talk about something that sneaks up on us all: hidden card charges. You won't believe how much money you could be saving if you knew this simple trick. The average American household carries around 3 credit cards, and they swipe them about 10 times a month. That might not seem like much, but those seemingly small transactions can add up to a significant amount of hidden fees and charges. Today, we're going to explore these sneaky costs and show you how to avoid them. First, let's look at some common hidden card charges. 1. Foreign transaction fees. When you use your card abroad, many issuers charge a 3% foreign transaction fee. Over time, this can add up to hundreds of dollars for frequent travelers. 2. Cash advance fees. Taking cash from an app with your credit card often comes with a hefty fee, typically around or more per transaction. Over time, these charges can really eat away at your savings. 3. Annual fees. Some cards charge annual fees that can range from to over. If you don't use the perks that come with those cards, you might be better off with a card without an annual fee. 4. Late payment fees. Missing a credit card payment by even a day can result in a late fee of up to. Over time, these fees add up and can damage your credit score. Now that we've identified the common hidden charges, let's discuss how to avoid them. 1. Research before you apply for a card. Look for cards with no foreign transaction fees or annual fees. There are plenty of great travel rewards cards without these fees, so take your time and find one that suits your needs. 2. Pay your bill on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date, and avoid late fees. 3. Be mindful of cash advances. Try to use your debit card for atom withdrawals instead of your credit card to avoid those hefty fees. 4. Use travel insurance. If you plan on traveling, consider purchasing travel insurance that covers foreign transaction fees and other expenses like trip cancellations or delays. In conclusion, hidden card charges can add up quickly and eat away at your savings. But with a little research, mindfulness, and planning, you can avoid these fees and keep more money in your pocket. So, the surprising truth about credit cards: they don't have to cost you extra. It's all about making informed decisions. Stay tuned for more tips on how to save money and make smarter financial choices. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And as always, happy saving!